Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please pardon my voice, I have a cold. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to achieve this. Also note, I'll be leaving a description of everything I make use of in this video in the description box below. Please stay tuned. This is the acrylic liquid I'm going to be making use of. So right now, I'm just turning that into an acrylic bowl. Just putting in enough quantity I know I'll be needing for this set. This is the acrylic powder I'm going to be making use of, and this is the acrylic brush I'm going to be making use of for this set. Right now I'm just dipping the acrylic brush into the acrylic liquid and then wiping off the excess by the side of the acrylic bowl. Then I'm dipping that into my acrylic powder and then taking up a bead and placing it on the nails. Now I usually go in with a 3-bead set, but for this nail set I'm going to be using the 2-bead set. I usually use a 3-bead sets because for longer nails, but because this is a short nail, I'm just going to be using the 2 beads. Now I'm just going to keep dipping my brush into my acrylic liquid and then dipping it into my acrylic powder and placing it on the nail. Now if you notice, I started at the tip of the nails and then I'm going to work my way into the cuticle areas of the nails. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. And while putting that in there, while placing my beads on the nails, I am trying to make sure I cover every surface of the nail. I'm just taking up as much beads as I need to cover up all the areas of the nails. Now my brush is not taking up as much beads in one go because it's a small sized brush, it's not a big sized brush, but I'm just going to keep going in there as much as I need to till all the surface of the nail is covered. While placing acrylic beads near the cuticle area, you want to be very careful so you don't get acrylics onto the cuticle area. Now, if for instance you get acrylics onto the cuticle area, you want to wipe that off immediately, or you get acrylics on any side of the nails, like on person's flesh, you want to wipe that off immediately you do that. While applying acrylic on nails, you might have some acrylic residue left on your brush. Now, this is why you're going to need a paper towel beside you so you can wipe off whatever residue is left on your brush. You're also going to need to have a nail dissolver beside you too, so you can dip your brush into the nail dissolver and then clean off whatever residue is on the brush on the paper towel. I am done applying my acrylics. Now, some of the nails came out smoothly. I was able to apply them smoothly, while others I was not. So for those that I was not able to apply smoothly, I'm going to use my electric nail file to smoothen it out. I'm just going to tidy up my table, cover up my acrylic powder, cover up whatever liquid is left, and then clean up my brush. I'm going to clean up my brush by soaking it in nail dissolver till the acrylic residues on it come off completely. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video and this is how I was able to achieve this look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Please also like, comment and share this video. I know you enjoyed it and I know you want others to, so please don't forget to do that. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.